Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method for the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change payment methods on the Uber app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, you're going to click on Wallet on the upper hand corner. Now, once you scroll down, you're going to see some blurred out information here, but these are my payment methods. This is where you could actually go ahead and change your payment method. So we're going to click on Add Payment Method. And then from here, you can either add a credit card, PayPal, Venmo, bank account, gift card, CVS, Klarna, or health benefits card. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your payment method for the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.